In this module, we'll explore steps for personal brand building on social media. Let's dive in. Building a personal brand on social media requires effort, time, and dedication. To achieve your goals, you need a structured plan. Here's a 30-day roadmap to help you kickstart your journey. Days 1 to 5, define your personal brand. Start by detailing out your identity. Introspect your personal attributes and reflect on your professional success. Craft a compelling statement that communicates brand you. Days 6 to 10, identify your target audience. Research around your audience's demographics, interests, and pain points. Tailor your content and messaging based on the analysis. Days 11 to 15, optimize your social media profiles. Dive into enhancing your social identity. Update your profile pictures, headlines, and bios to align consistently with your brand. Days 16 to 20, develop your content strategy. Create a content plan that resonates with your audience and niche. Determine the content formats, schedule, and create an editorial calendar. Days 21 to 25, engage your audience. Interact with your audience at a scheduled time daily. Authentic engagement will help you foster meaningful relationships. Days 26 to 30, measure your success. As you near the end, it's essential to measure your personal branding success. Set key performance indicators and metrics that align with your goals. Utilize analytics tools to track your progress and gain insights. Refine your personal branding strategies moving forward. Follow to establish an impactful personal brand on social media. Congratulations on completing the module. Download the resource guide and start building your brand.